And we're back. Sorry about this. I only have 15 minutes, so we have to kind of do it in chunks. But this time I caught it like right as it stopped. So we haven't missed more than Chase just getting a little mad. So here we go. So just to recap, Chase has dropped. He didn't get mad, he dropped. And we've got a little bit of a battle royale going on here in the front. Let's see here. We can get it to go. Come on. Oh, that's why. So Cody's throwing everything he can right here. Adam's just throwing trash after trash after trash, trying to take out these onagers, get a front. You see Larry's building some barracks. I'm starting to show up with some onagers. It's just getting crazy. All the while, Alex is showing up. Alex is trying to plunge a little bit. Let's see here. Who's purple? Oh, so there's something going on over here. I think that Tyler just was concerned about trade because of money. Because their team was not rich. Larry's up to 52 trade cards finally. But now I'm starting to build stuff. We're starting to see a lot of sims up here. A lot of onagers and a lot of elephants. And we got big boy troops showing up here. And Jesse's still doing a great job at microwing with these guys. That's, talk about run and shoot, run and shoot, run and shoot. That's just really good troop usage. It's kind of a miracle that we didn't get Jesse to get those down and on the other side. Who knows what would have happened if he'd taken all of these guys and gotten them, like right here. He'd been able to get those guys just like right in here. It could have been game. But it wasn't, and so we continue on. And this fight for this ground is still going. Jesse, you can see, is now pushed to the front, and he's claiming the area. But Larry's pushing back, and Jesse's doing what Jesse does best, moving back. Oh, we missed it. So while that was going on, we cut through on the backside and killed their trade. So their trade has now died. We see that they're moving forward. And this is what I was saying, if they'd use this defensive lake, because we cut through on this side and did that. Sorry, I'm trying to watch stuff that I didn't do last game. So, I was cutting in over here, so I didn't watch that. But it's going. So, now they're going around. We see this is Chase's base, but they do have a market right here still going. We'll see if that lasts or what they're going to trade with. Jesse's walling off, probably a good idea. And the fight continues. We're just seeing so many different troops. And Larry's really utilizing those onagers pretty well, even though the elephants do a good job of wrecking them. We see down here, Adam has sent a few troops to just cut through. He's taking his time with that, but it is happening. And Jesse just seems to know how to wreck with few troops. His troop management is really good. I do wish that we had one. I wish the Chase was here plunging, because I think that his plunges would have continued to be effective. He could have just skirted along this edge, and he's in. So Jesse has now walled that off, and they've got trade back here, but they're not using it. Money's, I'm sure, an issue for them. And Larry's walling off again. They're coming forward. And we just got a lot of carnage. It's a great time. You love watching this sort of stuff. Yeah, this is the sort of fight that's just so much fun to watch. Just you got the archers, you got the elephants, you got the trash, you got good troop management. The Idaho team played a great game. They really did. They held that line, and I mean Jesse did great, but there went his castle, which is kind of a death wish. Here's Cody. Larry's cutting through. I see that they've got their trade up and going again. It's just a great time. And let's see. So Adam's pulled stuff back. He's taking them out with bombards now. And you can see that our team, we extended our trade a little bit. And this time we take out a bunch of Jesse's troops there. And Adam got through it. So he's going to push in here. These actually don't do a ton. If we look, we're bringing in a whole bunch of these halberdiers are going to go and chase this guy. But Adam does get in. So it does scare people. But at the same time, we're going crazy over here. The fight continues. And I'm starting to plunge troops in. But Adam's doing a good job of eating them up. So this is the last of those paladins that Adam got in there. They're no longer in there. I think they're actually knights, if I remember correctly. So here's Larry, again, just going insane with the pushing forward, trying to take some stuff out. It's a bunch of wasps fighting, man. It's such a good time to watch that sort of stuff. And Tyler's just, I really like that he's got a very healthy mix of troops. It's really effective. I don't really know what's so great about the Rattan archers. I need to learn more about that unit. I don't know much about it. Like, I don't know when you want to use it or when you don't want to use it. The Jesse's backed off. Oh, so Alex is getting troops back in there. Well, troop, I should say. But he's going to bring more in. I don't know why on earth Alex is attacking Chase. Chase is dead. There's no reason to attack those buildings. Those buildings do not help you get any farther in the game. If you attack these, sure. Those, you're just wasting your troop usage. That's stupid. We'll assume that Alex is just not watching his troops. Oh, this is going to be entertaining. And Jesse gave up the ghost. Assuming when Alex gets back here, Jesse's just like, nope, I'm done. I don't care anymore. I'm mad at you. Don't want to do it anymore. But Adam and Cody are not far behind each other. So leave it to Alex to finish the game off once he got those troops over there. So that's the game. We're going to look at the stats real fast. Everyone's fairly close. Alex has the best economy by a significant portion, and Larry's military score is very high as compared to everyone else's. I think that he just was wrecking with those onagers, would be my guess. His Katie, he killed 24,000, lost 1,700. Adam only had a couple more, and Adam was just throwing troops. So they both did a good job. Everyone played well. I thought that this was a pretty high-level game. I really wish that Chase would have been able to stay in, because I think that this game could have gotten a lot more entertaining pretty quickly, because they were getting in on the other side, and if they ever were able to gain a foothold on that side, who knows what would have happened. But that being said, GG all around, guys. Yeah, we had some kind of slow Imperial times with Larry at 35. 8 castles. Seems like, so we had 2 guys with 8 castles on our team. That's a lot of castles on one side. And we used them. So, alright. Thanks for watching.